I'm holding you up, dude, but I got places to go too, you know? I could have waited, but fuck them. Get your fan belts fixed, douchebag. Camera right, let's go. Yeah, you're doing it. Thank you. Feel free to back off. Oh, just a little bit great. Thank you. Would you back the fuck off, you scumbag? Thank you. Would you back the fuck off, you scumbag? The way things are going. Goodbye. Chayo turd. Thank you. Put your arm in, and that way you can use your turn signal. Is that a red light runner? Can you wait 2 fucking seconds? Oh, you up my butt. Thank you. Dude, you want me to get a trail hitch? I can just pull you along. Goodbye. Stop for your turn, stop for your turn, stop for your turn, stop for your turn. And don't run the red, don't run the red. I'll go to Las Vegas. Ooh, Jesus. Why are you wiggling? Are you doing this on purpose, or is your car just shitty? Judged by the looks of it, that it's just shitty. What the fuck are you doing? 869 PJ1. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Stay in your lane, maybe? I don't know. Twerkmobile. Yeah, suspension looks fucked up from here. At the very least, you need an alignment. Case of shitbox there. Did we have an accident? An accident. Direct to the left lane, Honda! And we have an exit dive. Oh, we have 2 exit dives. Oh, nice. And Toyota direct to the left lane. Not going any faster.